So today I'm just doing a very quick review of the Mini Arcade Pro from Imtech. This is a well-made device. As you can see, it's as close to an authentic arcade cabinet as you can get for the size. It's an authentic as an experience as you can get. This is fully compatible with the Nintendo Switch 2, Nintendo Switch OLED, and it's really easy to assemble. And as you can see, it's really easy to take the switches in and out as and when you need them. We've got little slots for all your little extra game cartridges. At the back, you've got an input so that you can charge the Nintendo Switch or Switch 2 as you play along. It goes in through the input and out through the USB-C port that the Switch connects to, so it can actually play and talk to the joystick. The sticks themselves and the buttons are a little bit smaller in real life than in any pictures that you may see, but once you start playing, you really don't notice it. They feel good. They feel right. I'm just for comparison, here's the Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con. Just as a little size comparison there. So the unit is really responsive. The sticks feel nice and solid and clicky. The buttons click in a really satisfying way, but not too loud as to distract from the gameplay. It doesn't have any lag that I can detect whatsoever. Playing your old school beat-em-up games like Street Fighter 2, Final Fight, Streets of Rage, Golden Axe, all those really good oldie games that we all loved and remember from back in the day. So yeah, all in all, would heartily recommend the Mini Arcade Pro from Imp.